Hi, Cheyenne. I'm going to look at your work. Okay, yeah, I forgot. Something very elegant about yours. I think I said this already, but I think the serif and your calligraphy work well together. Oh, is that nice? Okay, letterhead in more. Might want to, oh, I think that's probably fine. Question, how many different fonts are going on here? If not, looks like the same's just bold. You want to reduce the fonts as much as possible. Looks good. Got a typo there. And then that's a widow, one word on a line. Otherwise it looks good. Colors, very nice. Is nice. I'm wondering what the reverse out would look like if you had to put this on black. Would it be white, or would you make it silver, or would you make it gold? So you want to show that. Hey, I love these so much. Look what someone did. Not acceptable. All right, good. One thing I can suggest, whoop, there's a typo there too. One thing I can suggest is choosing one size, one placement throughout. So, and then there's another bunch of typos. You're gonna have to go through this and edit it. You can see the Y in there. There's, you need to space it out. But anyway, for these description things to the right of this line, make it all the same font size and have it start at the same place. It'll be a tighter look. And again, you want to get rid of all these widows. Let's see, that one has a period. Wait, this one has a period one. This one does not. So it's a good base, but you do need to go in and work on consistency and so forth. That's nice. Oh, looks really beautiful. Stamp. So I think you should get these printed. I think you'd be proud to use this for years to come. No other logos. Use public manner wrong, and there's no period. You know, you could. What if someone wanted to do signage? You know, you can come up with something. Just look through some of those standards guides. I might have linked it, but otherwise you could just type it into Google and think of some usages that you actually might do. Like maybe you want to put your logo on a pen or a pad of paper or a mug. You just would reiterate the rules, like see page X on ClearSpace. You know, you just want to say something like that, and then you could also say something like art director at X company needs to be contacted for all approval, right? That's nice. Oops, you got a typo on email. So I'm going to give everyone an opportunity to you know, fine tune these. I think it's very important because once you start looking for a job and you get out of school, you're not going to want to go back. You might not even be able to find the file again. So as much as you can, you want to perfect this before you graduate. All right, let me know if you have any questions.